What's up, everybody? Welcome to section 3 of the course, How to Build an Alexa Skill. In this section, we're going to be setting up a Voiceflow account. But in this video, we're going to give an overview of Voiceflow and why we use it. What is Voiceflow and why do we use it? Well, earlier on in the course, we mentioned that you can provision your own backend resources. And we mentioned our example is Voiceflow. Voiceflow is a third-party software as a service tool that allows us to collaboratively design, prototype, and build Alexa skills and Google Actions without coding. Then you can layer code and integrations on top of the VUI, voice user interface design, that you put together in Voiceflow. You can also connect it with your Amazon Alexa developer account, test it in Voiceflow, test it in your Amazon Alexa developer account before deploying it there. So as I mentioned, Voiceflow is a way to design the user interface of a voice app using a canvas and several blocks. So in this visual example, you're looking at a welcome screen and then a variable that says if sessions are 1, they're going to return the user back, and if sessions are new, then the user is going to get the new user flow. So as I said before, Voiceflow is a way to design visually the voice user interface without coding. It's also a way to prototype and share interactive voice apps on the device or within the browser. And it's a way to build and publish once to both Alexa and Google Assistant, which makes it an extremely valuable tool and a time saver. So as I mentioned before, there are many reasons to use Voiceflow,